Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change frame rate on Filmora application. Changing the frame rate in Filmora involves a specific process depending on the platform that you are using. So here's a guide on how to change the frame rate in Filmora application. First of all, open the Filmora app from your app drawer, and from the main home page of Filmora, go ahead and create a new project by clicking on the New Project button. Export a video or a photo, select any media that you'd like to edit, and tap on Import at the bottom right corner. Make necessary edits for your video clip, and then after you are done, click on the Export button at the top right corner. From the Export option, tap on the Settings menu. Now go to Frames per Second option and choose your frame rate from the options available. After selecting a new frame rate, confirm or apply the changes to your project by clicking on the Export option on the next page. And that way, you will be able to change frame rate on Filmora application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.